Good afternoon, everyone. This is Byron Thomas Auto Sales in Scotland Neck, North Carolina. Bringing you a quick video walk around of this 2018 Toyota Corolla IM. A really nice small hatchback, only 105,000 miles, one owner vehicle. We'll give you a quick walk around and point out some of the features. So you can see the Corolla has a really nice exterior finish. I believe they call this color Barcelona red. No major dents or scratches, no rust or corrosion whatsoever. Lots of safety features. It's got the backup camera. Just very clean inside out. Definitely a well-maintained vehicle. As we mentioned, it's a one owner from right here in North Carolina. Here's a view of the inside. Here on the driver's side, you can see the upholstery is in good shape. Headliner as well. Just one minor cut there in the upholstery that's been repaired. But otherwise, very good condition. It's got a nice big touchscreen display there in the middle. Cruise control. Also some great safety features such as lane departure warning and collision avoidance. It's got the original mats there. Very clean as well. Definitely above average inside and out. There's a shot of the back seat. Again, upholstery is in good shape. Charging port back here for your phone. Again, the original mats. Carpets are very clean. No smoky smell or pet odor. For a hatchback, you still got a good bit of storage here in the back. And of course, those rear seats will fold down to give you some more space. Even some storage here underneath where you have your spare tire and jack. Here you can see the passenger side, the front of the vehicle. Once again, upholstery is in good shape. Comes with the original window sticker. Books as well. It's been inspected, serviced, ready for the road. You can see under the hood it's exceptionally clean as well. No rust or corrosion. This little 4-cylinder runs nice and smooth. Obvious it's been well taken care of. Corolla also has a real nice set of wheels and tires. Comes with a two-tone alloy wheels, 17-inch, and then all 4 tires are in excellent condition, practically brand new, more than 90% left on the tread, nice and smooth on the road. All right, thanks everyone for checking out the video for this 2018 Toyota Corolla IM hatchback with 105,000 miles. As we mentioned, this is a one owner with a clean North Carolina title. We encourage you to check out our website, byronthomasauto.com, where you can find a link to this video, as well as the rest of the inventory we have on our lot. And of course, if you want to schedule a test drive or have any questions, feel free to call or text us anytime at 252-567-3885. Have a great day.